What if I told you that today, yes, right now, you can build a digital product using AI, put it online, and start making real money within your first 24 hours? It may sound like high, but stay with me. Let's see if it's possible or not. But for sure, it's possible. So let me walk you through 7 AI product ideas that you can build today. Yes, right now. And I will also show you the right one topic, and as well show you exactly what you need to do to turn it into an instant income. This is not theory. It's battle tested and automated and designed for creators, side hustlers, and anyone who wants passive or semi-passive income using AI. So just stick around, because in the next few minutes, I will show you one of the ideas among the 7 that I believe is most scalable of them all. Though it's less flashy, but one can make solid side income from it. But if you are new here, I'm Hannah, and on this channel, I teach on how to turn AI, tools, and creative idea into raw cash. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell now so you don't miss the rest of this series. And if you are done, let's begin. All right, to begin with, you need to understand that the key is not to chase every trending AI thing, but to select one that you can build and monetize fast. Let's explore the best 7 AI product ideas so that you can choose one of them and launch today. The first AI idea, number 1, is Prompt Pack. Now, what is Prompt Pack? Prompt Pack is a collection of high-value pre-written AI prompts tailored for a specific niche. For example, marketing, social media content, and images. 30 Instagram caption prompts in wellness niche, or real estate listing prompt packs. Now, the reason why this sell is because many people use ChatGPT but don't know how to write effective prompts. So use selling packs will save them time and also guarantee them output quality. So now that you know this, how do you build from scratch? You can build from scratch and also make real cash in 4 ways. Number 1, pick a niche like retail, coach, or course creator. Use ChatGPT or ChatGPT-4 to generate 50 to 100 prompt ideas. Refine it and test them. That is number 2. Number 3, package with a small instruction manual. Number 4, format it in a PDF, Google Docs, or Airtable format, and after that you can monetize it by selling it as a digital download and place it at the rate of $7 to $27, or package it into a subscription prompt club. Although prompt packs are low entry cost, but don't worry, let's move into something more visual, and that is number 2, AI generated digital art or branding pack. This is where you create a set of theme AI art, logos, background, mood board, or brand. A set pack of minimalist logo plus brand board kits. The reason why this sell is because many small business struggle with design and branding, so they will definitely pay to get something decent quickly. If you are starting with this is how to go about it from scratch to monetization setup. Number 1, use an AI image tools like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion to generate variant. Number 2, refine and curate. Number 3, bundle as mockup or color palette. The 5th one is to monetize it by selling it on marketplace like Etsy, Creative Market, your own blog, or license it to agency. Now, what of combining design plus words? That takes us to the 3rd idea, which is digital planner, ebooks, and workbook kits. This is AI powered creation of planners, journal, workbooks, or ebooks that are fully ready to be used. For instance, 30 days habit tracker plus journal kits, or minimalist budget planners plus expenses trackers. Why this sell is because people love done for you template, and AI can fill in structure, prompt, content skeleton quickly. To build this one from scratch, you will need 1, ChatGPT to generate structure, section, chapter, and prompt. Number 2, use Canva or Figma to design layout. Number 3, package in editable format plus PDF. Number 4, add fillable digital version. Then sell it as one-time digital products. If you like writing but want something modular, then this number 4 is very powerful, which is video script template and AI script packs. This is a ready-to-use video script template for either TikTok, YouTube, YouTube or Instagram ads, or AI script prompts plus frameworks like YouTube video script template accelerate that you can build using ChatGPT to generate several scripts, structures, hooks, body, intro, and call to action. Number 2 is field test example script in your niche. Number 4, package template plus fillable prompts. Number 4, provide how to use guide or walkthrough video. Then sell individually or as bundle, and you can upsell personalized script service. Now we are moving into the automation territory, combining AI plus utility. That is number 5. Mini chatbot or AI assistants for niches. This one is a pre-trained AI bot for niches, customer support, and leads. This one sells so well because businesses want automation, but they don't have the skill and time to build from scratch. So if you are hopping into this niche, you can build it from scratch in 4 ways. Number 1, use ChatGPT LangChain to define intent and responses. Number 2, train and curate responses. Number 3, deploy on website like widgets or integrate with messaging app. Number 4, provide setup instruction or plug and play files. Then monetize it by charging setup fee plus monthly subscription and maintenance. We are getting sophisticated, so let me show you something with high value, which is number 6. AI voiceover or narration packages. What this means is that you can create voiceover audio intros or narrate tracks using AI voice for creators. That is 30 to 60 seconds for course videos. This one is hot cake because many content creators don't want to record their own voice, so AI now sound convincing. How to build this from scratch? You will need to use AI tools like 11 Lab and so on. You cannot generate narrated sample and test quality, then package in multiple versions, tone adjustments, and scripts. Then number 4, provide instruction for integrating into video editor. Then you can monetize by selling per minute in pack and provide voice license or subscription. And finally, something big with scaling potential, workflow tools, that is prompts plus automation engine. This is a simple web tool that use AI plus glue logic to solve narrow problem like SEO, title generator, and content repurposer, like AI blog idea and outline generator SaaS. This one is the biggest hotcake of them all, and it sells very fast because tools with recurring revenue are good. And if the tool solve one pain point very well, it sells. To build this is very simple. Choose micro problem, very narrow scope. Use no code or low code plus AI API integrates. Number 3, build MVP minimum viable products. Number 4, offer web UI plus API or plugin. Then monetize with either monthly subscription, freemium upsell, or white label licensing. So now that we have covered the 7 powerful ideas, it's time for you to pick one and validate it before you start investing much time. How to validate your AI product idea, because many people fail at this. They build without validation. In this video, I will show you 3-step method validation that you can run within 24 hours. Micro launch or pre-sale. On day 1, pick one idea and create a landing page that describes it with visual or mock-up and promise pricing and buy now or notify me button. Then share it in niche community social media and your email lists. You can use simple tools like Gumroad, card plus upcoming land page. Number 2, fake dot test or minimal viable offering and show buy now even before you build fully. If people click, sign up or prepare, that is validation, or provide early access and collect feedback and build the smallest version of the product. A few minimalist pack, one chatbot flow and deliver to early users, and then gather feedback, refine it, and scale version 2. If your testing phase yield even just 3 purchases or you notice a strong interest from people, that is your green light to build the full version. If not, scrap it and test other ones. I launched a prompt pack in 3 days and got 6 sales even before I built the full version. You already have a validated product in your hand. Now, how do you get it into the hands of customer and as well scale it up? Let's get into it. You will need to make one YouTube video just like this one, talk about your product, document your journey, and you can still use Reels, Shorts, TikTok, Pinterest, blogs, or even forum niche places. Number 2 is niche community and forum. Post in subreddits, niches Facebook group, and show value plus soft pitch, and be careful about spamming. Third one is affiliate partnership influencer collaboration, where you offer small commissions to micro influencers to help you promote your product. And don't forget to provide for them pre-written content, templates, and trackable links. Fourth one is paid ad. You can use small budget like $5 to test ad to landing page, and try to be creative with your write-up. For instance, get ready-made prompt for your niche in 5 minutes, or stop struggling with copywriting, use AI. Number 5 is bundle and subscription pack. After purchase, upsell a pro pack, coaching, or monthly prompt vault, and you can bundle multiple products together, which take us to number 6. Automation and retargeting. Use email drip and use retargeting ad to bring back visitors who didn't purchase the first day they came. And once your products start getting traction, you will have cash flow so that you can reinvest and expand your niche. And before I round this up, let me give you some reality check of what can possibly go wrong in the business and solution to resolve it. You must find a way to be different, because many prompt pack, art packs will emerge, but good quality will control your reputation. If your prompt is weak, users will reject. So test thoroughly and make sure your AI generates content that doesn't violate commercial use rules. And again, marketplace and AI tools may change rules, so make sure you stay updated always. You see, out of those 7, if I were you, I will choose prompt pack to start with, or micro SaaS, because combining prompt packs and automation is the fastest way to scale up. But any ideas you pick doesn't matter as much as execution. So these are 3 action plans to kickstart after this video. Pick one idea from the 7 niches we just pinned down. Number 2, run a 24-hour validation. Then number 3, if you find it validated, you can now launch a minimalist version and start your marketing immediately. Now, let's recap quickly. You have known 7 AI product ideas that you can build and monetize today. You have also got a clear roadmap, which are pre-sale, fake door, and pilots, and you have gotten a marketing and scaling strategies plus what to watch out for. So now I will love to support you. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video. This will help me to bring more content like this. Then comment below which of these 7 ideas you would like to try first. I will pick 2 people and help refine those ideas in reply. Thank you for staying to the end. Now go and pick one of these ideas and run validation, and I will see you in the next video where we will build one of these ideas together live. Peace.